Welcome back to Steve's World of Wonders. Today on Steve's World of Wonders, I'm visiting the town of Stittsville. My family moved here in the early 80s. I now live in Ottawa, but this was my hometown for quite a while. So I'm very familiar with JoJo's Pizzeria here. They make the best pizza I've ever had in my life. I tried it a couple years ago and confirmed again it's the tastiest pizza around. Highly recommended. Stittsville has changed a lot over the years, including JoJo's, which has expanded into making ice cream. Also, Stittsville has a number of donut shops. There's this one on this side of Main Street, and there's Maverick's Donuts on the other end of Main Street. This is a fancy barber shop that I hadn't seen before. Some nice sunflowers there. Ahead of the sunflowers here was a really cool coffee shop that I should wander into one day for another video. I should check it out. I've been in there before. It's really nice in there. This is the old train station. Some things have changed in Stittsville, other things have stayed the same. Park over here. One thing that's changed is there's a park here now that wasn't here when I grew up. It's called the Village Square, and it's themed around the train station. Like, you can see the play structure here looks like a train, and this structure here to get out of the rain is labeled as the Stittsville Station. Further into the park here was a fire pit for the Boy Scouts of Canada to use, I guess. And there's this barn building on the park property that they use for a farmer's market. So, pretty nice park. I come to Stittsville and visit once in a while because my dentist is still in Stittsville, so that's what I was doing today. And after the dentist, I decided to go for this little walk around Main Street. Lots of places to get treats. Lots of different little restaurants and shops. That was a European deli. Butcher shop. This mall here where you can get used books now. My dad used to have an office there as a property manager. This is a neat "Welcome to Stittsville" sign. Welcome to Stittsville. Lots of memories in this town, including this building here. Used to be known as the children's shop, where we would go to after school to get candy, wacky packages with gum and big league chew bubble gum. And this was my public school when I was a little kid. There's a food truck right here called R&R Smokin BBQ that I'm gonna try out. Main Street is way busier than it was when I was little. If you're looking for the food truck, it's right across the street from that church. So here's the sign for R&R Smokin BBQ. I guess they're known for their poutines. Hi everybody, this is Steve here from Steve's World of Wonders. I'm in Stittsville today. I'm going to be trying out this food truck behind me, Smokin R&R's barbecue. They've got bison burgers and beef brisket, all kinds of barbecue items and poutines. Gonna check that out. So join me here and we'll see what it's like. Thanks.
Okay, let's do that.
Get your feature percent, you got it.
There's no bacon in the sandwich though, right?
Nope, not at all.
So here's their menu. They've got applewood smoked sandwiches and burgers. You can make it a combo for $5 more. That adds a salad or fries plus choice of beverage. They've got smoked pulled pork for $7.52. Buffalo chicken, that's $9.96. A brisket sandwich with mango slaw and special R&R sauce for $10.89. Fresh Atlantic salmon with artisan lettuce, cucumbers, and mango sriracha aioli for $10.89. Same price as the brisket. Free range bison burger with cheese or bacon extra for $1.77. Comes to $9.96 without. 100% beef burger with cheese or bacon added for $1.77. $7.52 without. Fresh vegetable wrap and a lobster roll with fries or salad is $21.99. Menu is subject to change without notice. Pricing is subject to change. They also serve fresh cut fries in regular and large sizes, as well as R&R's mac and cheese, regular and large sizes as well. R&R's apple mango slaw, only in the large size for $4.64. And they sell a heritage salad, regular and large size, which consists of tomato, cucumber, red onion, and assorted vegetables. You can also add to your salad some fresh smoked salmon or lobster. Salmon would be an extra charge of $6.75 and the lobster would be an extra charge of $12.25. You can also try out their award-winning poutine, one size only. Their regular classic poutine for $8.85, a vegetarian poutine for $12.70, loaded baked potato poutine for $14.78, a lobster poutine for $20.50, brisket poutine for $14.78, maple pepper bacon, that sounds fantastic, for $14.78, a bison poutine for $16.20, a pulled pork poutine for $12.70, and smoked chicken poutine for $12.70.
Are you ready?
Yeah. I'll get
like
the brisket sandwich.
Brisket sandwich. Just a sandwich?
Yeah.
No problem.
And a Diet Coke.
The Diet Coke? $14.31.
Okay. I'll use that then.
Alright. Just have to follow the prompts on the screen, which will appear shortly, and then you just tap your card at the bottom.
Okay.
Whenever you're ready. Give me a couple minutes and I'll have it all ready for you.
Alright, thank you.
Brisket sandwich. Yeah, brisket sandwich, thank you.
Thanks. So I purchased their brisket sandwich and a Diet Coke. Their brisket sandwich comes with their own special barbecue sauce plus mango coleslaw. Here it is. There's their brisket sandwich. It's making my mouth water. Let's do it close up. Here's their sandwich. Lots of brisket on there. Looks pretty good. So let's try that out. It's going to be messy. Good thing they provided provided napkins and stuff here. Right. This is delicious. It's incredible. It's very, very, very good. The barbecue sauce doesn't overwhelm it like most places I've been to. All you can taste is the barbecue sauce. This one, the first flavor I get is that deep, rich. This one, the flavor I get is that deep, rich roast beef flavor. Very beefy, and so much of it that it's very satisfying. This is a delightful sandwich. And there is coleslaw in there, but I barely taste that. I taste it's more of a crunch factor with the texture to offset the soft pulled beef brisket. And this is very, very, very tender beef brisket. It like disintegrates when you bite into it. Very good. And their sauce is delicious. Their barbecue sauce. It's not too sweet, not too tangy. A little bit of smokiness in there. Oh, here's a beef. He likes the brisket too. Shredded carrots and the coleslaw. I would go ahead and say this is the perfect brisket sandwich. I've never had a better one. I recommend coming out to Stittsville just for this. And I'm sure there are other tasty things on the menu. I wasn't too hungry today, otherwise I would have tried some other things. They have a bison burger. Very good. Look at that big chunk of meat there. Really good. Best brisket I've ever had. Best brisket sandwich I've ever had. The bun, I think, is a sweet egg bun. Soft. Really yummy. All in all, a good choice at R&R's food truck. R&R's Smokin BBQ food truck in Stittsville. I noticed a banner here. They sell pork, chicken, fish, turkey, and bison, and beef. I just had the beef. It's right across from the church. This is the other donut shop I was talking about on the other end of Main Street. Which is one of the many places you can visit in Stittsville. Here's an Italian eatery on Main Street as well. I wonder if their pizza's as good as JoJo's. And I remember this mall very well. I remember the new clean restaurant, the Chinese place there. It's been there forever. Thanks for watching Steve's World of Wonders. See you next time. Bye for now.